Hi, today I am showing you how to make two different looks with just one technique.
Welcome to my channel. Here you can learn easy beading techniques and tips to take your craft to designer level. I am Mia, your guide, helping you to upgrade your beading skills. You're welcome.
Hi, we all know that it's quite difficult to learn a new pattern. That's why I want to show you today 3 ways to make better use of the techniques that you have already learned. Our tutorial is structured in 3 parts. In the first one, I will show you the technique. In the second one, I'll show you how to include the different beads in the pattern. And in the third, I will show you how to make some embellishment in the pattern. We start our pattern with a stopper bead, and then we pick up other 7 seed beads. The stopper bead will be part of the pattern, and we go back through the stopper bead. As you see, the tail and the working thread, they are pointing in the same direction. And now we are creating the basic loop that we keep repeating for this pattern, and this is made out of 8 seed beads. So we pick up 8, 2, 4, 6, and 8. The bead where the threads meet, I call that one connector. So now, to close the loop, we skip 2 beads after connector and go up through the third. And that's all our pattern. And now our pattern consists of repeating this step of picking up 8 seed beads and closing the loop by skipping 2 after the connector. 2, 4, 6, 8. One, 2, go back up the third. And this is the basic technique that we repeat. I find easier to flip the work and to make sure that the thread is always pointing downwards. And let's repeat one more. 2, 4, 6, 8. Skip 2, back up the third. Now let's go to the second part of our tutorial where we include a bead. This one is a mother of pearl bead that is called a tooth. And we are using the same sequence. The only thing is that the third bead, we are going to replace it with this bead. So we pick up 1, 2. This is the third. Then we continue our counting up to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are basically modifying the loop. And then from the connector, skip 2, go back up the third. And this is how we modify the loop so we can include the bead. And then we just continue the same way. Pick up 8, skip 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, and skip 2, and this is basically the way we include a bead in the loop. Now, for the third part of the tutorial, let's make the picot. And I can show you here that on the down loop we can create this picot. To make the picot, we modify again the bottom loop and we pick up 3 seed beads, the first 3 of the loop, then we pick up 3 seed beads that will be the picot, and to end the picot we go through the third in a circle, and now we continue our loop. So we had 3, 1, 2, 3, we count up to 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We skip 2 and go back up through the third. And here we are. These beads tend to be quite heavy, that's why we cannot use too many in one of our designs. I have 2 areas that they are plain only with seed beads, and they are 4.5 inches on both sides of the clasp, and the central focal point is of 5 inches. I have a totally different look, and it was obtained by having the colors that suggest a different style. So if this is quite wild, I would say this one is very pretty with colors of spring. So if the question is elegant or wild, obviously you can achieve both looks with just one technique. When you change the colors, you change the types of the beads, or you introduce some embellishment motifs. I hope you liked today's tutorial. For the next tutorial, I want to show you how you can create some drops using the same snake chain technique that we use today as an extra element of design. Please subscribe, like or comment. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ciao.